Hello everyone. We are here to do the experiment of a study of operational amplifier as differentiator and to verify its working as high pass filter. So as the name says high pass filter, so here we have a capacitor which will pass the signal at high frequency. So if it will pass the signal at high frequency, so it has its cutoff values, its initial and final values. After that our signal will be 0. So operational amplifier as differentiator. Differentiator is type of mathematical differentiation. As we know, uh, it shows the input signals differentiating signal at the output. So as you can see, um, as you can see, this is our circuit. Op-amp as differentiator. So I have connected here R1, C1, and here we have RF. RF is the feedback resistance, and here we have U1 op-amp. So it has inverting input and non-inverting input. So here we have a C at the input. So our signal will pass through the capacitor. As you know, capacitor is a blockage for the sinusoidal or AC input. So our capacitor will block the DC and it will pass the AC at higher frequencies. So this is our circuit which we have designed on our trainer kit. Here we have applied the inputs, and here we have a power supplies, and here we have output of the signal which goes to the DSO. DSO channel 1 is for the input and DSO channel 2 is for the output. So here you can see I have given a triangular wave at the input, and we are getting a square wave at the output. You can also see it using a mathematical operation of the differentiation on the triangular wave. You will also get a square wave by mathematically. So here we have a function generator. Here we have a function generator, and I have given a 5 volt peak to peak voltage, and I have set it frequency equal to 5 kilohertz. So now I am going to change the frequency of the signal. As you can see here, at 5 kilohertz is our initial frequency, and now I am going to increase the frequency of the signal, and you can see what is happening here. Now you can see our input and output signal is same as triangular wave. And now as I'm going to increase, our output signal is going to decrease in amplitude, and afterwards it will be a straight line, and our input signal is increasing. You can see our output signal is going to diminished and our input signal frequency is increasing. Now you can see our output signal is approximate a straight line, so it is equal to 166 kilohertz, or you can increase the frequency until you will get a straight line. So I am not going to increase further, as we can see it is approximate a straight line. So here we can note that it is equal to 211 kilohertz input frequency. So its cutoff will be 5 kilohertz to 211 kilohertz. And you can also constant. Here we have to also find the time constant, which is equal to 1 upon RC. So here we have a input resistance which is equal to 1 kilo ohm, and we have connected a capacitor here. Capacitor is 1 nanofarad, so it will be 1 upon RC. So you can also find the time constant of the op amp as a differentiator. Okay, thank you.